Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add a widget to the home screen on iPad Pro 2021 running iOS 14. So on your home screen, touch and hold. Next, tap on the Add button on the top here. And in the widget list, go down and select a widget that you would like to add to the home screen. Now you can also use the search function to search for a widget. Otherwise, you can just scroll down and browse through the available widgets. So here I'm going to choose the clock widget. And then if you swipe across, there are different type of clock widgets that you could use. I'm going to choose this one here, a simple clock widget. So you can drag it into the home screen, or you can tap on the Add button. Now at the moment, it is not adding on my home screen. So let's see if I can add in a different one. So I'm going to tap on the Add widget this time. And you can see if I use the Add button, it will add it to my home screen. And when I try to drag and drop, it doesn't work with that method. On an iPhone, it works. I'm not sure why on the iPad it doesn't work. But you can use the Add widget button, and you can add the widget to the home screen, as you can see right there. And if you want to remove the widget, you can touch and hold on the screen, and then just tap on the remove button to remove the widget. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.